today we are going to discuss about conditional statements in Python. So guys, as we told many times, our programming is completely how much faster and what is the output that you are going to get it. Even though if you get output, but if you take lot of time, there is no use. That means performance important. Everybody will write program. And what is the specialty from Jira Techno is completely different. Now, how many people, I'm telling you, in next 10 days, how many people required, like how many people want to prepare a program which is okay, very smallest program that we will be, I'm telling just 100 lines above. How many people want to write 100 lines of code, Python code in next 10 days? So type me in the chat box. How many people want 100 lines of Python code for the next 10 days? After 10 days, you will never feel even 2% or 1% difficulty while writing 100 lines of program. How many people want? Just type in the chat box. Come on, everybody. So, how many people want this thing? Okay. So, everybody want, right? That is what the culture means. It's important logic, important concept. This is okay. Anyway, no problem. And till now, then after I will start the class. No, where before starting, how we will be, after completion of these classes, how we will be. Come on. So everybody is requested for 100 lines of program. That is my responsible. I am telling you 100 lines. You can add it 0 also. That is 1000 lines. But for understanding, I gave you 100. Okay. How you are there, like before joining this program for coding, and how now we will be? What is your confident level? Just your own words. We required just for 1 minute. After that, we will start our program. This is, you can say, advanced level of Python also, you can say. See guys, it's respect between you, me, Vikram sir, Jira Techno. This is what we required. Always genuine feedback. Okay. If you are not, sir, I didn't change, you can type didn't change. We are here to help you. I just need your confidence level. Leave about interview questions, materials, LMS facility. That is doesn't matter. Are you really feeling grow? You will feel like more confident to grow. Just type in the chat box. Very how much fast you can type, then we can close this discussion and we can start the class. Go ahead. Come on, everybody. So we are waiting for your reply because this is what we require to improve our confidence also. Concepts are bit clear, then beginning. Okay, good. So please type in because every feedback is very important for us. Please understand our efforts. Later we think about the relations, something else. Okay, go ahead. So you said like I required all people 100 lines of program, but you didn't type anything here, right? Now I understand the concepts clearly compared to before. Okay, very good from Chaitanya. Thank you for your feedback. Lavanya, concepts are a bit clear than beginning. Thank you, Lavanya. Actually, people said clear, but a bit clear and clearly compared to. It's really powerful team. Go ahead, guys. Just type clear also if you are not able to type, because I am typing on 1 hour, right? At least you just type for 1 second, 2 seconds. Is that difficult? Hmm? Okay, once Priya clear, because I need the responsive. Whether just I'm telling you whether clear or not, also review about it. Are you getting confident in programming or not? Compared to C, Python is very easy for me, sir. P. Renuka. Very good. We are feeling more confident day by day. Every day we are learning new things and new concepts, and we are getting comfortable with the subject. Archana, thank you for your genuine feedback. And Vijaya, concepts are very clear, sir. Thank you, Vijaya. I am feeling a bit confident about programming right now. Yes, Vishwanath, that is what we require. Just bit confident is required. We have not completed it, just we started. Harinath, I am understanding concepts are very clear, very good. So feel more comfortable right now. People who are not comfortable, you just type. Okay, sir, I'm just going slow. No problem. I am not asking for everybody. Whoever is feeling good, you can just type. After 5 to 10 classes, again people will get it again. Okay. So good responses. That's that's what a trainer required here. Okay, and very happy. And after practicing, and you just make sure other level of confidence. Okay. So let's get into the concept now. Thank you for your all feedback. Focus now. Are you focused? Just type focus there. We can just enter into the platform. Focus. Good. That is what man we required. Come on. If you are focused, I can start the class with the new concept of advanced Python programming. You will feel very enjoy, because the thing is Python is easy when you understand. When you don't understand, it is only the concept very difficult. Okay, so all our focus. Let me start. Okay, so our class is today defined here for conditional statements in Python. So what do you mean by condition? Like some restriction here. So this concept is applicable for all programming. Any program you take, Java, PLSQL, .NET, whatever you take, Python also, conditional statements are same. Only syntactical difference will be there. Syntactical difference will be there. If we want to write lengthy of program for validations, we use this. So we have three types of conditional statements will be there. We can call it as if statements also. We can call it as if statements also. So if somebody asks what are the if statements and what are the conditional statements, you can type it. So one is if clause, and second one is if else. Okay, and third one is if elif else. So can you please type in the chat box what are the if statements? Three if statements will be there. What are they? If else, if elif else. Okay, so now we use we use if statements or conditional statements for conditional validations. Conditional validations. Okay, that is either true or false. So why we are going to use this? We are going to use for conditional validations. If condition becomes true, then it will print true statement. Okay, again, if condition becomes false, then it will print. Okay, or you can say it will print false statement. So this is how you need to understand about if, if else, if else. Let's start like if statement. So what do you mean by if statement here? It is just for understanding only. Okay. So whenever we are taking if statement here, you should understand if statement for just for conditional validations. Conditional validations. So when you understand conditional validations, what do you mean by conditional validation here? Some condition is there. Are you gender is checking? Are you male or female? So it is like when we understand the conditions, and that conditions always validation is true or false. It won't print anything, guys, but just for understanding, you need to know. So in Python, there are three important forms like if else, if else statement. So Python if statement now. So what is the syntax for that? So I will give you like here. Okay. Just understand. Don't think too much about it here. That is if statement. Okay. So if statement, and we'll give you simple example here. So there is if class. If class is presented, then you are passing some condition. Okay. And you should use completely like colon. Okay. Then this is statement. That's it. Only this is if condition. So understand very clearly. If statement is this. Now the syntax of if statement in Python like this: if some condition is there, and if it is false, if it is true, it will print the statement. If it is not true, then it will go. It will stop. There is, and it is just for condition evaluation. If condition is true, the code, the statement of the code will be executed. The body of the code will be executed. If condition is false, it will skip, nothing display. That is what you can understand about statement, if statement and all. So let me take. Okay. Now I am taking an example here. So if guys, whenever you are writing this, you just write this if condition like syntax also. Just syntax in your paper and pen somewhere you can write it if you remember, or while listening this video also. Guys here, now what I am doing here, so I am taking here name equal to, so there is one more built-in function, that is input, guys. Okay, input my name is. So I am taking input is a built-in function which will take dynamic values at the runtime. Okay. So if name double equal to, don't use single equal to. This is assigning. For example, I am taking Arjun, colon should be. Now after that, now let's see here. Print my name Arjun found. Just for understanding, okay? Don't think too much about it here. So when I execute, it is showing that invalid syntax. What is that here? Maybe you mean for double equal to or assigning instead of equal. So you should use when your comparison double equal to here. Okay, you keep remember, it's a common error where people will do. So now what is asking here? It is asking dynamic value here. Okay, I am passing here Arjun. Okay, now let's see. It is executed here. Shall not be executed due to the pending input. The cell has been executed to avoid kernel deadlock, as there is. Submit your pending input and try again. What is that? Okay, see now my name is Arjun and Arjun name is found. So given value, you can say, one second. So here you can see Okay, so given, please understand this, given value and condition value is same, then it will enter into the true block. Okay, so that's why it is my name Arjun form. Same output you take. One second, this is input, my name is, this is what we mean for, then Arjun you can give. So same thing you take it here, instead of Arjun you can give like money. Now see here, my name is money is okay, and input is taking my name is money, checking that money, and here name money and Arjun is not same. That is not printing the true statement. Else statement, that is false statement, is not there. It will skip. That is only understanding about the if statement. Got my point? So that means what you need to do? You need to understand if statement. We need to focus on if else, if else, just for understanding purpose. Okay, so now let's go and understand about if statement, and now if else statement. Always you should focus if, or one more example also you can take it. Name, one more example guys, input of, okay, now my age is, guys, it's very important, please concentrate. If, sorry, not name, you can say age, okay, variable name. If my age equal to 28, okay, print I am 28 years old. So if age is matches with 25, sorry, 28, then it will print actually. Okay, now let's go and execute it. What is this? Unterminated string literal. So very important thing here, take screenshot, keep in error documentation. Input function, built-in function will take string as a value. Okay, so input will take everything, will act as a string actually. If we give number, it will take first integer string. If you give anything, it will take string value. So now you are giving here 28 is a number. So in that case, what you need to do guys, you just pass here integer of input. That is what we require. Then it will consider like, okay, given input value is integer. If you give just input, it will take by default as string. Now let's see. Okay, sorry, this is error where we need to quoted format first. That's not an error. Okay, I'm just giving you 28 guys. One second. So when I said 28 is there, but it is not printing 28 years old. It is not printing even though my value and given value is same, but it is not printing. The thing is here, by default, you can see, okay, let me execute this. Let me go ahead, okay, and execute it here. Now you can take 28. One second. Now here I am 28 years old. So because, let me execute same example here. So go and take print of, now it is type built-in function, how much powerful you see, age. I am checking whenever I'm not passing integer, what is the result of that? 28 I'm passing, but it is considered as a string guys. This print of type of age is string integer, like sorry, input. What I said, input built-in function will take string as a value, right? This one. But same example, whenever you are passing integer, okay, I am just taking here print of type of, you see now how much importance built-in function now, type of age. And here you can see 28 you can pass, then you can see it is integer because we have specially mentioned like integer dynamic value. That's why here age value 28 integer and this is 28 integer. Both are same, that is 28 years old. That means you are going to get it. Got my point? So this is all about if statement. Okay. And we have second thing is if else statement. Okay. If else statement. What is the meaning of if else statement? If else statement, it will evaluate or it is going to verify whether condition is true or false. Okay. So now first you can understand this. So whenever you are taking, now let's see. So what is that? If else statement. So if else statement is verifying the condition true or false. That's it. So now go ahead. If condition, and then you can say statement else statement, or you can say default statement. Okay. So here what will happen? This is called if else statement. If else statement. What is that? If else statement. What do you understand about if condition is true? It will go inside the block and it will print the statement. If condition false, it will go to else block. You can write it if you want. So here, if else statement, okay, can validate whether condition is true or false. Okay, if condition is true, then it will go inside the block and prints the statement, prints the true statement. Okay, if condition is false, then it will go to else block and print default statement. Okay, this is what we need to understand about if else statement. So if else statement is this. You can give anything whatever, but just understand. So example, you can see now I am taking same example which is 28 here. Okay, same example you take and add it here. If condition false, where it will go, that is where you can say if else colon, then you can say print of. Okay, so anything you can see now, print of, then I am not 28 years old. So this is the print statement. When I execute now, I am giving it 28. So if condition is true or false, it is true. If true means it will go inside the block. That means print 28 years old. Now you can see I am 28 years old. So that is what. If true, it will inside and print the true statement. Now, if I'm not giving like 28 the value, I am giving 29. It is showing that I am not 28 years old. So if condition false, something we are tracking here. But if class only true, it will track. False means it won't consider. But here, if else also condition validation for true or false. Even it is true or false, something it will display. That is what you can understand if else statement. If age is 28, if age is given value is 29, then both are not same. That condition becomes false. Then it will go to else statement and print I am not 20 years old. Okay. So like that you can able to do it whenever we need to understand. Okay, fine. Same thing you can see country equal to input of my countries. Now let's see if country equal to India, print, or you can say hello India. Okay, else print of country is not defined. Guys, I am executing here. I am passing India. What is the output, guys? You are going to get it. What is the
Hello,
output? You
India.
are going to get it. Hello India. Everybody, what is the output that you are going to get it? When I execute, one second. Hello India. Because given country and value here available, both are same. That is true condition. Inside the block it will print. Else it will go to default statement. You can pass anything in the default. Now I am passing here. I am just taking USA. Condition becomes false. It will go for else statement and print country is not defined. Got my point? Okay.
Yes.
So this is how. If condition becomes true, it will go and print true statement inside the block. If not, it will go for else statement and print default statement here. So same thing that we have another example, another condition that we have if elif else statement. So this statement can be used for multiple condition validations. For multiple condition validations. Multiple condition validation means what? You can pass n number of conditions. Okay, you can pass n number of conditions for validations. So let me give you syntax here. If condition 1, then statement 1. Elif second condition. If condition 2, that is statement 2. Elif condition 3, statement 3. Now finally else block. Else, sorry, here condition 3 also colon. Else you can say default statement. Default statement. So this is how you need to understand about the if elif else statement. If condition 1 true means it will print statement 1. If condition 1 is false, it will go to second condition. and it will start the evaluation. If condition 2 true, then it will print condition statement 2. If condition is all 2 is also false, it will go to condition 3. If condition 3 is true, then it will print statement 3. If condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 all are false, it will go to else block, that is default statement. So it won't go directly statement condition 3 and all. If we have 100 conditions also, one by one only you need to go. So condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 false means directly it will go to default statement. Okay. So condition 1 statement 1, condition 2 statement 2, condition 3 statement 3, else default statement. Okay. So which means now, so what is that? If, elif, else statement. So we use this to evaluate multiple conditions in the program. So what is the use of if, elif, else condition? First concept is it is going to evaluate multiple conditions. That's all. Okay. So let me take one example. Same example which we are taking here. This country. Okay. So if completed, now second condition, if country equal to USA, print off, then you can say hello USA. And third one, elif country equal to UK, print off hello UK. Okay. Again one more. If elif country equal to England, then print off hello England. Now else block, if country is not defined. Now execute it here. Now pass like India. Yes. When first condition is true, it will print hello India. It won't check everything now. It will control will stop there only. First condition true means for value it is matches, it will stop the execution. And same thing. Now I am passing USA. So when condition is first condition is India, it is definitely false, and it will go for second condition, that is elif country equal to USA. Now it matches, it will go inside that hello USA, and it will stop the
USA.
execution. Yeah, it will stop the execution. Hello USA. And again you can take UK. First condition false, second condition false, and third condition is verifying. Yes,
It's
it
true.
is true. It is hello UK. Now again I am passing here England, ENG. So first condition false, second condition false, third condition false, fourth condition true. It will print hello England. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now what will happen here? Same thing. Now I am giving here AUS, Australia. First condition verifying false. Second condition verifying false. Third condition
False.
verifying false. Fourth condition verifying false. What is the printing? Else block.
Country is not defined.
It will go for default statement. Whatever it is that will print. That is country is not defined. which means conditional validation one by one for multiple values using if elif else statement. So suddenly it will go to fourth statement, suddenly it will go to third statement. No, one by one validation is possible in if elif statement. If you have 200 conditions, not a problem, one by one verification is there. Okay, so you can do whatever the example like. So one more example you take here, age equal to integer of, then here my or my age is. Now you can see, you can write it multiple ways guys, but just I'm giving you. Okay, you can write it if you want. Input, you can say input of, you are passing input, right? For just understanding, don't worry, don't think too much about it here. If age equal to 26, print of I am 26 years old. So many scenarios I will give you, don't worry. What is next? Elif statement. Age equal to 27. Print. Okay, print I am 27 years old. Again, else block. Elif. Sorry, elif block. Elif. What is that? So we need to give coded format. Okay, that is. So elif age equal to 28. Print I am 28 years old. Okay. Now else block, print of my age is not defined. Okay. So when I execute now, let's see, I am giving you 26. So what will happen here? It is
I
26
am
years old. It is true. Now same thing, you can pass like 27. Yes, 27 years old. Now here 28 years old. And 26, 27, 28 is not there. Then if you pass like 30, my age is not defined. So it will go for else block, else statement, for default statement, whatever it is to display. So this is all about if else, if elif else statement. So here, if statement, if condition one, only one condition verify. If it is true, it will evaluate. If it is false, it will skip. That is what if statement. If else statement is extend to the if statement and tracking of false statement. If condition is true, it will go inside the block and print the statement. If condition false, it will go and print some message, that is else default statement. If elif else statement, that is if condition 1 is true, it will print inside statement 1. If not false, if condition 1 false, it will go to condition 2. And after that condition 3, and then else default statement. So these are all about if statement, if else statement, if elif else statement. So are you clear guys for this? Everybody?
nested if else. Nested if
We have,
is
yes,
also
we have
there.
nested diff. We have nested diff switch statement, lot of there. Okay. The basic level, three important thing is, until unless they will ask in interview, don't say like nested if and what switch statement and all. Okay. Just
No.
case statements also there. Only if they are asking any conditional statement, explain if else, and if else. That's all. Hope you are clear, everybody, guys. Type clear in the chat box. Is it really difficult or easy? So all are clear. Very good. That is what concentration means. So whether you are a technical, non-technical, whether you are from degree, BTech, MCA, or whether you are local from or wherever city, wherever, it doesn't matter actually. Whether you know communication well or not, doesn't matter. Are you confident about the technology or not in interviews matter? Got my point? They will not, maybe they will check only academics, where you study, what is your percentage and all. But finally, your selection criteria is your stuff only, your talent only. Okay, that is what. Maybe 50,000 or 1 lakh extra will come for the other people if they are from other institutions. But you need to clear the technical run. Whoever, even from uh, Oxford University also, you have to clear the technical run in front of them. So don't compare in the academics, percentage, communication, nothing. Compare with the confident in the programming. That's what you require. Okay, guys. So this is what we need to do. So probably if statements and loops also we have, and we have some other core concepts also there. Then we will close as soon as possible. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. See you
Sir,
tomorrow.
I
Yes,
have one
please.
doubt, sir.
Please tell me.
Whenever I'm practicing in online compiler, at that time, so many times I'm getting indentation error. How to solve that one?
Indentation means you are not pre-issue. I will tell you. Indentation means nothing but space issue, guys. That's all. For example, a equal to 10. I am taking print of a. It is giving as it is. Now same line I am taking a equal to 10. Give one space and print like this. This is indentation error. Check your spaces. Okay.
Sir,
That's it.
like
That is
even
only.
you tab or like
Pardon?
tab space or anything you can give or
Yeah, in tab space only. Again, tab space. Just check your syntaxes. Okay. Without any
okay.
space. Now see here. It is directly saying that some error here. Color is changing also, right? If you're not okay. Indentation means
Okay.
somewhere you miss the some space. That's all. No worries at all. Okay. Now when execute,
Thank you, sir.
that's it. Output is coming.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So that's all, guys. Thank you very much.